So let me tell you a short story about myself. I was born and brought up in Saudi Arabia. So it's a little appealing, isn't it? What am I doing in Chennai? What am I doing in SRM, right? Firstly, let me tell you what is biomedical science before everything. Biomedical science is not just biology, memorizing chemistry or anything. It's a basic need behind human progress, behind human science, behind stem cell, behind every other cell moving in our body, isn't it? It's very fantasizing, very appealing. So SRM is just a beautiful place to study the infrastructure, the research labs, the people, the faculty members, and the way they teach us. I don't regret coming from Saudi Arabia at all, whether it's the place, whether it's Chennai as in, or whether it's SRM. SRM is the only place that actually approaches and offers biomedical science to us. And I think they have a great placements. They have great wide opportunities, great jobs abroad. We just don't call it biomedical science, we also call it biomedicine. So I take this as my destiny, as my destination. Thank you.